My dear students, how are you? I think you are fine, but actually we are not fine. You know that along the world we are also facing a critical situation on health due to the impact of pandemic COVID-19. You are not attending class for a long time. That is why Milestone College Management has announced online class system. As a part of this, I am also standing in front of you to discuss Bangladesh in Global Studies, and already you have attended 2 classes on chapter 1. Today I am going to discuss on chapter 3, the solar system and the earth. The solar system and the earth. Here in this chapter, 4 section, 3.1 solar system, 3.2 mathematical calculation, and 3.3 motion of the earth, 3.4 ebb and flow. Out of these 4 section, 3.1 a little bit easier for you. Now we want to start our topic, solar system. All of you know about this. It's a very familiar topic to you. But before that, you have to know what is solar system. Definition. In an easy word, if you want to say what is solar system, sun family is known as a solar system. That means, you can see the figure, by centering the sun, due to the gravitational force, planets, minor planets or asteroids, aeroliths, comets are revolving around the sun by following a definite orbit. This total system is known as the solar system. But according to text, if you want to define what is solar system, you can see or you can mark on your book, sun family comprising the sun and its planet, minor planets, asteroids, comets, aeroliths is called the solar system. Now we will see about sun. Actually, sun is a bright star, all of you know, and sun is the core center of the earth, and by centering the sun, all the solar system is working, you can say, or effective. And see, as a planet, earth also getting heat from the sun, and there is a idea that our earth is created from the sun due to Big Bang theory. And see, sun distance from earth, sun is situated from the earth almost 150 million kilometers away from the earth. And see, composition of sun, you can say 55% hydrogen, 44% helium, and 1% other gases. Hydrogen existing is the sun transforming into helium gases, and energy is being generated due to it. And surface temperature on the sun is 57,000 degrees Celsius. 57,000 degrees Celsius. Out of this huge amount, we are getting a little bit, that means earth is receiving a little bit heat from the sun, and if you see if there is a 34 or 35 degrees Celsius temperature on the surface of the earth, then you can see that our skin almost going to burn. Now see what is the condition on the surface of the sun. That is temperature 57,000 degrees Celsius. Sometimes we can see a sunspot or black spot on the sun, which is known as the sunspot or solar inflammation, because there is less temperature among the surrounding areas on this. Surrounding areas on this. In a brief, you can see this is the sun. And next, by centering the sun, planets are revolving by following a definite orbit, definite direction around the sun. First one. Solar system contains or holds 8 planets according to distance. According to distance, Mercury is the closer to the sun, then Venus, then Earth, then Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. That means these are according to distance from the sun. According to distance from the sun. Again, if you see Mercury, that means Mercury is the closest and the smallest planet in the solar system. Why Mercury is the smallest and closest? Because distance is not far. You know, from the sun, distance of the Mercury 5.8 crore kilometer. 5.8 crore kilometer. Since Mercury is closer to the sun, that is why temperature in the Mercury is very high than the other planet. And Mercury does not possess any satellite. Mercury does not possess any satellite. After Mercury, second planet according to distance from the sun is Venus. Venus is the second planet according to distance from the sun, and like the Mars, Venus also does not possess any satellite. And Venus also is known to you as an evening star. Which one you can see the naked eye morning and in evening. Morning and evening. Next, now third planet from the sun according to distance where we are living, and this is the ideal planet in the solar system. Except Earth, in any other planet there is no existence of living beings. We will learn also more about Earth, why Earth is the only one suitable planet for the living beings in next topic. But here I am telling few words about the Earth. You know that area of the Earth, you can say 510,100,422 square kilometers, and its diameter along the east and west 12,752 kilometer, and along the north south 12,709 kilometer, and average temperature on the sun 13.90 degrees Celsius. Temperature on the Earth 13.90 degrees Celsius, and there is also sufficient water which are essential for living beings. And our Earth needs 29 days and 12 hours to orbit around the Earth has only one natural satellite, which is known as Moon. Average distance of the Earth from the Moon is 3,81,500 kilometers, and it revolves around the Earth once 29 days, needs 29 days and 12 hours. Then Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun, and distance from the Sun is 22.8 crore kilometer, and from the Earth 7.8 crore kilometer. It takes 687 days to orbit the Sun, and it orbits once on its own axis in 24 hours and 37 minutes. It has two natural satellites like Deimos and Phobos. It possesses an atmosphere containing 3% of nitrogen and 2% of argon gas. In between Mars and Jupiter, there is a asteroid. And what is asteroid? Numerous small planets are orbiting together in between Mars and Jupiter. These are known as the asteroids, and illuminated with diameter than 1.6 kilometer to 805 kilometer is called asteroid. Now see Jupiter. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the distance on the basis of according to distance from the Sun, and Jupiter is the largest planet of the solar system. Diameter of the Jupiter is 1,39,822 kilometer. It's about 7.8 crore kilometers away from the Sun. Jupiter possesses 67 natural satellites like Ganymede, Callisto, Io, and Europa are the most important. Next, Saturn. Saturn is the second largest second largest planet of the solar system. It has an area of 427,000 square kilometers and diameter diameter 1,16,464 kilometer. Saturn has 62 satellites, of which Capitals, Tethys, Hua, Titan, Euclides, and are to be mentioned. Saturn is larger than the Earth by 9-fold approximately. Then Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun, and it is the third largest planet. Uranus is 287 kilometers away from the Sun, and it orbits the Sun once in 84 years. Uranus has 27 satellites. Out of these, Miranda, Ariel, Oberon, Titania, etc. are mentionable. And next and last one, Neptune. And it is the 8th planet and the farthest known planet from the Sun in the solar system. It is the coldest one because Neptune is so far among all the planets from the Sun. And it has 14 satellites. Triton, Nereid are significant satellites. Neptune is accomplished in its orbit by a number of minor planets termed Neptune Trojans. My dear student, in a brief, these are the solar system. As a homework, prepare 50 MCQ from this solar system, and you have to submit in your respective groups before the next class. Thank you.
Bye bye.